All right, guys, so I'm out here, got the Tundra, took it on its first, well, not really first ride for grabbing something, but for truck things, doing some truck things with the Tundra. So I'm out here in Woodbridge, picked up a TRX 450 from my guys out here. Appreciate the good deal I got, and it is time to do some truck things with this and get this home. As you can see, the 6.5 foot bed is perfect. The revolver, it rolls up out of the way, perfect, fits in there, everything's ratchet down, the ramp's ratchet down. Let's get home. So as you can see, we got all the graphics off now. They came off real easy. Truthfully, I was actually surprised. But we got all the graphics off of it. Gave it a good goof off clean to get any kind of residue off of it. That all came off good. And then I just did a quick rinse over for the bike. This is a 2014 TRX 450. Excellent shape. Only thing I really had to do, I had to adjust this rear chain on here when I got it. It was real tight. You had a new carrier bearing installed, and when they put it back on, for some reason they had it real tight. Got that loose on there, and gave it a quick wash over, get some of the residual dirt off of it. It's now looking really good. We're gonna let it sit out here for a little bit outside. Then we'll throw it in the garage and let it dry. Let it drip dry. And then we'll get ready to install the graphics on here. I am in the middle of trying to restore this plastics on there. It was looking quite, not really pink, but like a light red almost. I've been doing it with this butane torch here. I did the rear plastics so far, and the sides, and it's looking a lot better now before I put these graphics on here. I was looking online trying to see if I could find a way of making these plastics look a little bit better. And truthfully, this does work. So let me show you what I've been doing. Like I said, just get down close and just keep it moving. Don't keep it in one place too long. And it has been working. I mean, it definitely looks a lot better. It look even better with the graphics on there, but let me show you what I'm doing here. All right, so we just turn this on. Try again. Just go back and forth with it. And you'll see it start to darken up a little bit. Basically, all we're doing is melting the plastic a little bit. Just don't want to keep it in one place too long. Pretty much it. Like I said, it doesn't look bad. It looks a lot better than, like I said, the light red that was there. So we'll let this cool off and get ready to apply some graphics. All right, guys, here we are, man. Yo, this this ain't for the faint of heart, that's for sure. It's not too difficult. I mean, out of 1 out of 5, I would say it's probably like a 2.5. Just gotta make sure you get these bubbles out. But this material is really nice. I mean, it's nice and thick. The perforations are good for the tank part. You just gotta take your time, man. And as you can see, it's turning out pretty good. Like I said, I got pretty much, I think I got everything on this left side done. And like I said, I'm using a squeegee, water bottle, it's all over there. Water bottle and a like a paper towel to get in the tight spaces like up in here, get that water out of there. But heat gun. That is the only way you're gonna be able to get this thing on. Let me get on this other side real quick. All right, so that's about 2 hours in on this. I pretty much did, like I said, did the tank and everything on this left hand side, including down there. And it does look way better with this black wrap on top of the red. I just was not a fan of that red. My last TRX was white, and I got a red one this time. This is 2014, like I said, but I like this wrap on here. It matches my helmet and everything. So, but I'm 2 hours in on here, and it's time for me to take a break. So I'm gonna go ahead and get back to this tomorrow. All right, guys. So this is the next day. I got up early this morning. I guess about 9 o'clock. Really, that ain't too early for somebody my age, but got up about 9 o'clock this morning and finished this thing up. And I think it turned out pretty good. So I put another, what was it, about an hour and a half on this right side over here. And like I said, right now I just got it in the sun, trying to get this glue to, set real good. And then I'll look it over and see if I see anything that, that needs to be, I guess, touched up or fixed, But this thing looks real good, man. Looks like something that is custom, really, you know what I mean? One thing, like I said, I do love these stickers, these graphics. They're nice thick paper, nice thick plastic, nice thick vinyl, whatever you want to call it. But you got to be careful around these tank hugger locations, because these little holes right here will come out on you when you're trying to squeegee it down. And you can see over here where I had a couple come out right here. I had a couple come out right there, but no biggie. I ain't sweating it. I'm no professional, but I think it turned out pretty well. Like I said, sitting out here in the sun, baking it down, getting it good. There's no instructions with this. Basically the only picture that comes with it is on the actual eBay ad. So I'll post a link to the one I got, and then like I said, you go into the eBay store and pick out all the different other types they have. But I'm happy with it. I think it looks good. Like I said, we got a little bit more maintenance to do on this thing. I got a new air filter for it. I got to put an air filter in. I got new wheels and tires also. I'll get some video of that, putting it on. They haven't came in yet. I'm still waiting for them to show up. But I got new wheels and tires. I got new Nerf bars. I'm not a fan of chrome, so I'm going to swap them out. What else? Chain cleaning. I got to clean this chain and lube it up. I got some stuff coming for that from Maxima. Just some good maintenance for this thing. Like I said, the guy took care of it, but I guess one way of taking care of it is different than another's. So I'm just going to go through it, make sure everything's good to go. I checked the oil. The oil is good. It has a slight leak underneath of it, so I got to figure out. I'm hoping that's just a drain plug. But yeah, you guys stay tuned. We have more to come on this bike, and I'll see y'all later. All right? Out.